Delhi University has rolled back the hike in charges for making corrections in mark sheets and degree certificates following objections by the Academic Council members. The council, comprising teachers, objected to the hike in fee approved by Vice-Chancellor Yogesh Singh last month. Now, this affected an increase from 500 rupees to 1,000 rupees in the fee for those seeking correction in mark sheets and degrees within 6 years from the day of graduation. From rupees 1,000 to rupees 2,000 was the increase for a period for more than 6 years. This was, of course, the details in terms of the fee hike that Delhi University had announced earlier. My colleague Ishika joins us with more details. Ishika, what were the objections or reasons that were cited for objections by the council members?
Well, Aarti, in fact, as you rightly mentioned, yesterday a meeting took place, in the Delhi University regarding the hike in the charges of making corrections in the mark sheet and degree certificates. And certainly, the Academic Council members, they in fact had raised objections to this. Remember that if we talk about, the hike in by the Vice-Chancellor of the DU meant that the increase will be from 500 rupees to 1,000 rupees in the fee for those who, in fact, wanted, the correction in the mark sheet and the degree within 6 years from the day of graduation, and from rupees 1,000 to 2,000 for people who wanted the correction made from, in fact, more than 6 years from the day of the graduation. Now, in fact, an action taken report was submitted in this particular meeting where the Academic Council, was made aware about this hike, and then, there were certain objections that were raised by the Academic Councillor, and especially the teachers who were present in this Academic Council. So after that, in fact, the decision was taken to roll back this particular hike. Over to you.
Right. Thank you, Ishika, for joining us and bringing us those details.